paperwork a couple
I
of weeks
did.
ago. I could not find it.
Okay,
Unless you changed your name.
yeah, I probably need to search for my name, but
Yeah,
I'll send you the reminders. Let me see the
Nick,
72719.
Nick.
Good
Yeah,
morning, Judge.
We're live.
I sent you new paperwork to Aguilera Law at Yahoo.
When did you send that?
Oh, on July the 3rd. But I just sent you the reminder to the top of your email, and and we're
Okay.
going on both, right? We're going on both cases.
Well, we're gonna TIC one of them.
All righty.
We're getting a JSAT on 727-197
Okay.
and TICing 727-1966.
196. Okay, and going
Well,
and
yeah.
we're doing a plea on 197.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and remind. Okay, then there you go. Aguilera Law at Yahoo. I just sent you reminders. Just look at the case numbers because I sent you reminders on both. So just do the
Okay.
one. We're going on 197, right? The
Correct.
voucher is on 196. So I'm going to send you a plain voucher right now, just a plain one to get paid. You're retained on. I mean, you're not retained on these, right?
No, I'm appointed.
Appointed.
Okay, you sent the reminder. You sent the reminder on 196.
Correct. The 197 should be right behind it.
Right there, I see him.
You got it. Okay, I'm going to
Oh,
send
wait a
you
minute, that says completed. Oh, that's the discovery acknowledgement. I'm sorry. There you go.
It shouldn't be just. Make sure it's plea paperwork on 197. Did you not? Okay, you got it.
Well, it's preparing, so we'll see.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome. I'm sending you a voucher right now with both case numbers on there. Okay.
Okay.
You can fill that out.
Yeah, I apologize for missing the last one. I had a last second contested hearing, and I won but lost.
Oh, okay. Well,
Assault on a pregnant wife, not true. Endangering a child, not true. Dirty for marijuana, went to prison. Ooh, first MTR.
Wow.
What court is Danny out of? Lydia.
County Court 9.
Okay. Yeah, she's been after my ass to get this over with too.
Yeah. She I think I sent them back to her and she's like, get them done. I said, okay.
Yeah.
So, and
we get it done today.
Yeah, that's fine. No worries.
Everybody else is waiting. That's okay. This needs to get done.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Okay, there goes your voucher.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So we can do it all at once. We'll get the plea done on that one,
Right.
and then fill out your voucher, and judge will sign it and get you paid today.
I'm not gonna sign his voucher.
Oh boy. Okay, well then.
I probably don't deserve it.
Okay.
But
your client is already in room 1. Can I put you in there, Mick? You want to fill out your paperwork?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, window.
Let me move you to 1. There you go.
Yeah, he's very practiced at this. So.
All right. Very good. Well, that's good.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. She'll be Hal Clay again, judge this for ADA.
Right. I like Clay.
Yeah.
He does it right.
Yeah. Here he comes, Judge.
Yay, it's Hal. Yay.
All right, Hal.
We just had some folks this morning digging up our yard to replace the sewer pipe. They're supposed to be here at 8, but they still not here. So if I pop off real quick, then I'll be right back.
Okay.
Right, no worries, Hal. The only attorney I have here today is Mick Aguilera on Danny Ramos. He says we're
Okay.
gonna plea on one and TIC one, right?
That's correct.
Okay, very good. So he's already in with his client.
Okay.
No.
In California, Death Valley National Park hit 129 this weekend. 129 degrees.
Wow, that's hot, Judge. Thought it was hot. You thought it was hot here.
I thought 106 was hot.
We went to Portland, Oregon over the holiday weekend thinking we'd get, a good break from the heat. but
Right.
In the evening it was, cooler, but in the height of the day, it was high 90s. Everyone there's like, this is awful.
Yeah. I remember I was in Colorado once and it was like 84, 85. And I went to do some shopping just and have a drink, waiting for my husband and his son. And people are running in stores to get AC. And I went to sit outside on the patio to have a drink, and they're like, "We're not coming out there to wait on you. You have to come inside." I'm going, it is so nice right now.
Yeah. Oh, it's all relative, I guess.
100 people have been shot in Chicago over the weekend.
Uh-uh.
17 dead.
That is not good.
How their police department, deal with all that's a lot.
I like Chicago, man. Okay, that's your news update for today.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
I got it all. I'm only tracking the hurricane right now.
Where's it going, Alex?
It's hit Houston. I'm
It's in
just
Houston.
worried because my hometown is Bryan, College Station. my
Sorry.
sons and grandkids still live there, but,
Is it
and I have a
supposed to-
house in Bryan,
Mm,
but it's mostly sticking to Houston.
yeah, hopefully by the time it would get there, it wouldn't be as intense. I know everybody who has a place in Port A was real worried. And then it went like,
Yeah, my boyfriend's family has a beach house in Port A.
Sid Harrell just bought a place in Port A.
Oh,
Yeah, my boyfriend went to go pick up his boat yesterday.
It missed Belize, so I was very happy.
Yeah,
you have a place there?
I do.
I want to buy a place there, Judge. I need to talk to you. I want to
Yeah.
buy a vacation home somewhere. I don't want to get it in Mexico.
No, that's what I wanted to be in Mexico, but this is better. Joan Pedrati and Spencer Stubbs live there too. It's like San Antonio's moving to Ambergris Key to the island.
good morning, Mr. Simpson. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning. You got Victor Amaro this morning. It's an MTR. You got an offer on that one?
I do.
You do? Okay, let me see where I can put your client. Give me a second.
I can tell you, Alex, it's worth it in Belize. They speak Spanish and English, which is wonderful.
Room
The-
2, Kyle.
What's it called again?
Ambergris Key
Oh,
and
okay.
Pedrati. The dollar is stable.
Yeah.
The British protectorate.
Oh, wow.
And I have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo on the beach, and my property taxes a year are $400 US.
Oh my God, stop it.
Judge, did you say Belize?
Yes,
Oh.
but we're not on the mainland. You fly into the mainland, then you take a puddle jumper 15 minutes over. It's beautiful.
Wow.
We do have problems. We have third world problems like water
Well, you would have those in Mexico
and
too.
electricity. That's true.
Electricity even here in Houston. All right.
Yeah, they'll tell you like, okay, tomorrow we're not going to have electricity from 6 a.m. to 2.
Oh, at least it's planned. At least you know.
Most of the time it's planned, yeah. So they can work on it.
Morning, Mr. Martinez.
Good morning.
Good morning,
morning.
Jeffrey. Jeffrey, you got Mr. Ruffin set this morning. You got an offer on Mr. Ruffin?
I do.
You do? Okay, let me see if I can get your client here. Just give me a moment. That Ruffin? Is that right? Okay. All right, Jeffrey, I'm gonna move you to room 3, Jeffrey. The client is there. Thank you, sir. Kyle, Mr. Simpson?
Yeah, we have an offer. Can I give you my actual email address instead of my office's?
Okay, yes, sure, go ahead.
It's
Go ahead.
Simpson, Simpson, law,
P-
LAW, TX like Texas at gmail.com.
Okay, did you not get your paperwork? What
I
are you
don't know that
asking?
we,
for? You
I don't know
have
that
the- you don't
anybody,
have-
excuse me?
Go ahead. I'm sorry, did you not get the MTR plea paperwork that I sent, or the paperwork I sent you?
Let me see.
Let me see where, let me go to. Case number is this.
Okay, I guess I did. Did you send it to me directly?
No, Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it should be
I'll get-
MTR. It's not the, go ahead.
No, I'll get it filled out right now.
Okay, that's the MTR paperwork. Am I right? The plea, to take a plea, right?
Yeah, we are about to. I guess I need the plea paperwork. This looks like it's just PDFs.
Okay. Okay, BC. Are you retained on this? Are you hired? I mean, are you appointed?
Appointed.
Appointed.
And I'm
Okay.
appointed on the felony. I guess we can file that separately.
Well, the felony would not be handled here. We're only doing the MTR, the DWI MTR.
Well, it's going to be a dismissal on the felony, so that'll be read into the docket,
Okay.
read onto the record. I mean,
Yeah, Simpson Texas at Gmail. It should have gone through. It should be at the go to the top of your email. The MTR paperwork is what I sent you.
got it.
Got it? All right. Mr. Martinez,
Hi, Chair.
are we done? Is everybody signed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Okay, we're ready on Ruffin. All right, Mr. Ruffin, raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can lower your head. For some reason that's freezing. Okay, now we're better. 734048, State of Texas versus Connor Ruffin. Sir, you're here today for a graffiti charge. That's a Class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a right. Okay. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's the maximum punishment. We have Hal Clay for the state and Jeffrey Martinez for Mr. Ruffin. It looks to me like you understand you have a right to a jury trial, a right to cross-examine any witnesses, a right to remain silent, but you want to waive those rights in order to get the plea bargain that your attorneys worked out with the state of Texas. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Very, very much so, yes.
Great. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Martinez, are you satisfied that your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ruffin, how do you plead to the charge of graffiti as a Class A misdemeanor? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Okay. Looks like on the paperwork he put no contest, but I'm going to accept your plea of no contest, but I am going to find you guilty, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. What is the agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for a $0 fine plus court costs, a sentence of 10 days to the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the state will request that this judgment be satisfied.
Mr. Martinez, that's your understanding.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ruffin, I'm going to follow that plea bargain. Therefore, you do not have a right to an appeal, but your judgment is satisfied. Hopefully, you'll get out sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, sir?
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
May we excuse?
Yes, you may.
Mick, are you ready on Danny Ramos?
Yes, we got Ramos coming. You get to those closing right there.
Yeah.
I'll have a secret.
All right, we're ready on Ramos. Hello, Mr. Ramos. Raise your right hand for me. solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. All right, Mr. Ramos, you can lower your hand. You're here today for two cases, 727-196 and 727-197. I've got paperwork here on 727-196. I thought it was the other way around, Mr. Aguilera.
Well, yes, Judge, it is. It's going to be a JSAT on 97, which is the evading, and I guess I hit the wrong link there. Also,
Oh, it's okay. I see it is 197 on the paperwork.
Okay,
So
but
we're
at the same
good.
time, on his admonishment page, the only thing on his name it showed up was 0. We do need to put Danny Ramos on it.
Okay, we'll get it fixed over on this side. Okay, Terry?
Yeah, we tried
Okay.
to fix it. We tried to fix it over here, but I'm Adobe illiterate.
Okay.
All right, we have
No.
Mick Aguilera here representing Danny Ramos. Hal Clay representing the state. 727-197 is the one we're going on. That's an evading arrest, Mr. Ramos. You
Yes,
could have
ma'am.
gotten anywhere from a $0 fine to $4,000 fine, 0 days in jail to 1 year in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. That's not what you're going to get. Looks to me like you want to waive your right to a jury trial, your right to cross-examine witnesses, your right to remain silent, and plead no contest to this charge. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Aguilera, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes, ma'am.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
And how long have you represented him?
I've had the pleasure in excess of 10 days, Judge.
Okay. Then I'm going to accept his plea of no contest. I'm going to find you guilty, sir. What is the agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for a $0 fine plus court costs, a sentence of 152 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the state will also take into consideration cause number 727-196. And Your Honor, the state will request that these
Yeah.
judgments be satisfied.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear the last part.
Your Honor, the state would request that this judgment is satisfied.
Thank you, sir. All right. Is that your agreement, Mr. Aguilera?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, Mr. Ramos, I'm going to follow that plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal my decision, but your judgment is satisfied, sir. If you have nothing else holding you back, then you should be sometime today or tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, sir?
Unfortunately, Judge, he's got a felony coming on
Oh.
Friday.
Okay, so once you take-
Yeah, it's all part of a master plan.
Okay, once you take care of your felony, or this will allow you to go take care of your felony. Okay, sir?
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you,
And
Judge.
see you Friday.
Everybody's dismissed.
All right, sir. Sir, I'm proof right now with your system, so I want to get checked for my hours. I'm gonna get a transport.
Mr. Simpson, whenever you're ready, you can move yourself back to room 2. Just use the 3 dots next to your name to move back to 2. Your client is waiting.
It doesn't seem to be letting me submit. I keep on clicking next.
You're missing something on that paper. You're missing something where it says next.
Right?
Look right in there somewhere.
You're missing a line of some sort.
Yeah, you're missing something.
That's required.
Okay. I think I got it.
Excellent.
Have we heard from Ryan Arnett?
I'm calling him now.
Thank you.
I just submitted that, Teresa.
Okay, move yourself back to room 2. Do you know how to do that?
We will see. That little running man on the bottom right.
Well, that says to leave, I
Yeah.
think. You gotta
Running
move-
man.
More. Oh, join breakout room. I got it.
All right, Mr. Arnett says he's logging in, Judge. Good morning, Ryan. Do you need more time to fill out that paperwork, or can I move you to room 3 with your client?
You can go ahead and move me to a room with the DA just so I can get an offer and then with the client.
Excellent. Let me move you to room 6 with the state. There you go.
Thank
There
you.
go.
You got this kid out here talking shit to everybody that walks by. So emotional.
Mr. Arnett, you're raising your hand. What do you need?
Yes, I'm just ready to be moved in a breakout room with my client.
Right, got it.
Okay.
I'm moving you to room, where are you, Ryan? Moving you to room 3, Ryan. There you go.
Thank you.
Put him at 3.
Mr. Simpson,
Yes, ma'am.
you ready to do this?
He's ready.
All
We're
right.
ready.
I'll get him at the camera. You got Amaro?
It's our MTR, Alex.
Ready?
I got a problem.
Mr. Clay, what number are we going on?
We're going to go on number 4, Your Honor,
Okay, here's Amaro.
and we'll waive the rest.
Gotcha. All right, Mr. Amaro, raise your right hand for me. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Okay, you can lower your hand. All right, Mr. Amaro, this is 659-242, State of Texas versus Victor Amaro. We have Hal Clay for the state, Kyle Simpson for you, Mr. Amaro. You're here today on a motion to revoke your probation. Looks like you were placed on probation for the offense of driving while intoxicated. Is that true, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And they're saying now you violated the conditions of your probation in a few ways. Before we go into that, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to have a hearing in this case in front of the judge, have me listen to any testimony of witnesses to see if the state can prove these allegations against you. It looks to me like you want to waive those rights in order to have me follow the plea bargain your attorney has worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
State, you can proceed with the allegation.
Yes, Judge. In Bexar County, Texas, excuse me, the defendant, Victor Christopher Amaro, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
All right. And how do you plead to that, true or not true? Mr. Amaro, do you plead true or not true to that allegation?
It says that it's connecting to audio.
Oh, thank you. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you pleading true to that number 4? Did you hear him read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it true?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to accept your plea of true. I'll find it true. State, what is the agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is to revoke the probation, $0 fines plus court costs, a sentence of 21 days to Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the state would request that this judgment is satisfied.
All right. And is there, are are y'all taking into consideration the felony, or is that going to be done in the felony court?
Your Honor, that is going to be done at the felony court, is my understanding.
Well, we received the plea offer that is going to be done here, but did
Your
you
Honor,
get that email?
I just got from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, Your Honor, in addition to that, the state will take into consideration cause number DC 2024 CR 0286.
Okay. Is that your understanding, Mr. Simpson?
It is.
All right, Mr. Amaro, then it looks like you're finished with your probation on your misdemeanor case. They're taking into consideration your felony case. If you have no other holds, you should be released sometime today or tomorrow. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, you guys.
Good luck
Thank
to
you.
you. Bye.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Now, Judge, do I need to contact the 290th and let them know?
Yes,
I
I'll
don't
go
think-
ahead, I'll let them know.
Okay. You don't need to. Your DA's going to do it. Mr. Clay's going to do it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Now leave.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
We're just ready, gonna be ready for Ryan here in a little bit, Judge. That's the last.
Okie doke. Terry, who's our misdemeanor bond lawyer today?
It's gonna be Angela Blake, Judge, on both felony and misdemeanor, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
And
Let's go ahead and call Angela Blake and get her on.